kids, are you bored with the typical way of learning of tables? Today I'm gonna share with you a very interesting way of learning table of 2. Do you like drawing? Let's draw a box. Here we draw two boxes. Now write the numbers like this in the box. Write here 2, then write 4, 6 and 8 in first box and then 0. Now write the same numbers in second box 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 here. Now we are writing 0 with every number of first box. 0, 0, 0 and 0 and 1 is here. Now this one we are going to write with every number of second box and the last 0 we are writing here 2. That's it. Now writing the table, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18 and 2 twos are 20. Now it's time to learn the table of 3. For writing the table of 3, what you have to do, just write the numbers from 1 to 9 like this. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we will write 0 in the first row. With each number 0, 0 and 0. Now after 0, we will write 1 with each number in second row and then 2 in the third row. So the table is completed by the writing 30 here. Now we will write the table by using these numbers. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24 and 3 nines are 27 and 3 tens are 30. I show you how you can write the table of 4 very easily. So for writing the table of 4 and memorize the table of 4 in easy way and smart way, you need to draw two boxes here, and after drawing these boxes, what you need to write the numbers in the boxes like this: 2, 4, 6, 8 and then repeat the same numbers in second box. So we will write these numbers in second box: 2, 4, 6 and 8 and 0 here. 1 0 is here and 1 0 with the second box. So now we will write 0 in the first row with 4 and with 8. Now we will write 1 with 2 and with 6 and 2 with 0. After that we will write 2 with 4 and 8, then 3 with 2 and 6 and now 4 is here. That's it. Table is complete. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32 4 9s are 36 and 4 10s are 40. Now I'm gonna write all the numbers in front of table. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36 and 4 10s are 40. So that's all. Here I show you how to write table of 5. For writing the table of 5, you draw the box and write 5 here and 0 in the second box. Then after that, repeat this 5 in each box. So 5, 5, 5 and 5. Now repeat the 0 in second column. 0, 0, 0 and 0. So now what to do next? We write 0 with 5 and 1 with 0. When you moving to the next box, repeat the 1. So 1 is here and 2 is here. Now again when you moving to the next box, repeat the last digit. So we will write 2 here. 2, then 3. Again repeat the last digit 3 and then writing 4. Again 4 and 5. So this is your table of 5. Now you can write the table of 5 very easily. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30 and 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45 and 5 10s are 50. Hope you understand clearly. This is very easy way to write the table of 5. Now I'm gonna show you how you can easily write the table of 6. To write the table of 6, you need to draw two grids of 3 by 3. So draw the two grids of 3 by 3 and write the numbers here. Like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8 and 9. Now repeat the same numbers and pattern in the second grid. Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8 and 9. Now we will write 0 in the first row with each number. So we adding 0 in first row, 0 with 3, 0 with 6 and 0 with 9. After that we will add 1 in the second row. So 1, 1 and 1. Now it's time to add the 2 in third row. 2, 2 and 2. After that we must write 0 here and with 0 add the 3. Now it's time to add the numbers in second grade. So we will add 3 in the first row of second grade with each number. So 3 with 3, 3 and 3 with 9. Now adding the 4 in second row with each number: 4, 4 and 4. Now it's time to 5, 5, 5 and 5. After 5 we will add 6 with 0. Now which of the numbers are the part of table of 6? Let's have a look which numbers we needed to write the table of 6. So we will circle the numbers, circle this 6 number and connect it with the both numbers 12 and 18. Now connect these two numbers with the 24 and circle the 24. After 24, 30 and then circle the number in same way you circled in first grid. So 48 And now connect 42 and 48 with 54. And the last digit of your table is 60. So all these numbers we are going to use to write the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, and 6 tens are 60. Table is complete. You can easily write the table of 6 by using this pattern. It's time to learn the table of 7. For that, you need to draw a 3 by 3 grid table. 3 by 3 grid table, and in each box you need to write the numbers from 1 to 9 from the top right corner. So writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now then moving across from the left to right in the first row from 0 to 1, 0, 1 and 2. When you move down to the next row, repeat the last digit. So writing here 2, 3 and 4. Again when you move to the next, repeat the last digit, that is 4, then 5 and 6. And the last digit is 70. So now write the table by using these numbers. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, and 7 nines are 63, and the last is 7 tens are 70. Now you can write the table. So here 7 ones are 7, 2, 7 tens are 70, all the table is here. Now I'm gonna share with you a very quickest way of writing table of 8. What we have to do, simply write numbers from 0 to 8 but only repeating 4. So write here 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now repeat the 4 and then continue. Now writing 5, 6, 7 and 8. The first line of your answer of table is complete now. So now what to do next? We have to do writing the table of 2 starting from 0 to 8, and when you reach the 8 repeat the again. So writing here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and now repeat the same digits again. So here 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. That's it. This is the table of 8. The most easiest way of writing the table of 9, what you just need to write the numbers from 0 to 9. So writing here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So now you will repeat the same numbers from bottom to upward. So writing here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. That's it. This is the table of 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, and 9 tens are 90.